How's it going, guys? Hope we had a good day solving inequalities today. Our homework for tonight is now that we have solved them, okay, we are going to start graphing them, okay? So here we go. Okay, graphing them. Basically, the way that we graph an inequality, the way that we graph an inequality is by having a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, so on. You know how number lines work. Okay? But when we graph an inequality, first the thing we're going to do, okay, is we're going to mark the solution. So I'm going to say, here's my number line. Now, for the sake of this problem, I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to say this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4, 3. Okay? Now, mark the solution. So the first number that we have is a 6. So I'm going to put a mark at 6. Okay? Now, I'm going to put a dot there, but the type of symbol that I use depends on my dot. Okay? If I have one of these symbols right here, I use just an open dot, like I have right there. For this symbol and this symbol, the equal to's, the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, I'm still going to use a dot, but it's going to be a filled in dot like that. Okay? So for this problem, for this problem right here, it's that, so I'm going to use the open dot. Easy enough? Easy enough. Okay? Next step, mark 3 more solutions. Now, it says here that my x is bigger than 6. So any number that is 6, or excuse me, any number bigger than 6 works. 1, 2, 3. Because the number 7 obviously bigger than 6, number 8 is bigger than 6, number 9 is bigger than 6. Now, connect the dots. Just go like this. Connect the dots, shade them in, something like that. Okay? That, right there, is your graph. Sound easy enough? That's because it is. Okay? Let's look at the next problem. Okay, we're going to do one more example. Okay, so we have the same number 6, but this time it is with a different symbol. Okay, remember, for these two symbols we use an open, for these two symbols we use a closed. So I'm going to draw my number line. For the sake of ease, I'm just going to put the 6 here first, in the middle just to save time. Okay, now I'm going to put a dot at 6. But again, look at the symbol. So that means we have to use a filled in dot, a closed circle they call it. Now, I mark 3 more solutions. I can mark any numbers that I want, but they have to be less than my number 6. This is less than 6. This is less than 6. This is less than 6. Okay, so all 3 are marked. Now last one, connect the dots or shade it in depending on how you want to look at it. And that is my graph. Okay, tomorrow, Wednesday, we're going to be working on this stuff. So make sure you have your paper. If you like, you can start graphing a couple of them on the worksheet as practice, and we'll review them tomorrow. Bye, guys.